Today we are discussing Mass Assessment Test 1 for class 9. Here there are 10 questions. First 5 questions are objective bits. Here there are 5 questions. Just observe the first one. The degree of the polynomial x power 5 minus x power 4 plus x cube. Here the degree of a polynomial means the highest power involving in the given expression. Here you observe that here x power 5, x power 4, x cube, which is highest? Here 5 is highest, therefore degree of polynomial equal to highest power is 5, so degree of polynomial equal to 5. Coming to second question, which of the following is a constant polynomial? Constant polynomial means in the given polynomial there is no x terms. Constant polynomial means there is no x terms involving in the expression. Observe the options. Here there is a 3x, there is x term, so this is not a constant polynomial. Coming to second option, there is also x term, this is also not a constant polynomial, and third one is also not a constant polynomial. Observe fourth option, there is only constant term, there is no variable terms, therefore this is our required option. This is a constant polynomial. The answer option is D, fourth option. Okay, coming to question number 3, the coefficient of x cube in the given expression or given polynomial. So first of all, rearranging the given terms, first of all the highest degree equal to 3, rewrite the term minus x cube first, after that x square, and after that plus 2. You observe that he asking the coefficient of x cube here. He asking coefficient of x cube. Coefficient means the numerical value of the term x cube. Here the numerical value is negative. Only negative means that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, coefficient of x cube is equal to, so negative, only negative. Only negative means minus 1. That is okay. Coming to fourth one, which of the following is a binomial polynomial? Which of the following is a binomial polynomial? Binomial polynomial means having two terms. Binomial means having two terms. You observe the following options. There are three terms. This is not a binomial. There is only one term. This is also not a binomial. You observe the first option. There are two terms. Minus 3x is a term and 5 is a term. There are two terms. So he asking binomial. Binomial means this is the correct option. Okay, coming to question number 5. Which of the following expressions among the given is not a polynomial? Not a polynomial. So first of all, you recollect the definition of polynomial. Polynomial definition is the powers having only positive integers. The powers having only positive integers. Then only it is defined a polynomial. You observe we go through options. Here there is x square. This is a polynomial. This is not answer. Coming to second option, y square minus 8. Y square is 2. Power is 2. So power 2 is a positive integral value. This is a polynomial. This is not a correct option. He asking which is the expression is among the not a polynomial he asking. So coming to third option, that is 2x square, option C, 2x square minus 3 by x minus 5. So here x power is 1, 2x square minus 3 into, it comes to numerator x power minus 1 minus 5. You observe the power of x. Here the power of x is negative. If power of x is negative, then it is not defines a polynomial. So our required option is 5. These are the 5 bits. Okay, Rama. Coming to section 2, there are 5 questions, like one more questions and definitions. Question number 6. Define a polynomial. An expression containing one or more terms, with positive integral values. An expression containing one or more terms with positive integral values or integral powers is known as a polynomial. Example for a polynomial is 2x power 5 plus 3x square plus 4x plus 2. So here you observe every power is a positive. Every power is positive integral values, only positive integers. So this is known as a polynomial. And coming to question number 7, define the coefficient of a term in a polynomial. Coefficient means the numerical term, the numerical value in the numerical part of the given term. The numerical part of given term is known as a coefficient. Suppose example, I take 3x cube plus 4x plus 2. I take this some polynomial. Here I want to find the coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube means the numerical value, the numerical term in the coefficient of x cube. Here numerical term is 3. Therefore coefficient of x cube is equal to here. Coefficient of x cube is equal to 3. The numerical term involving in the particular term. Okay. Coming to question number 8. Define degree of a polynomial. Define degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial means the highest power involving in the given expression. Degree of the polynomial means the highest power involving in the given expression. The highest power in given expression, in given polynomial, defines the degree of a polynomial. Suppose for example 5x power 4 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3. I take a polynomial. Here I want to find the degree of this polynomial. Degree means the highest power involving in the given expression or polynomial. Here the highest power is 4. Therefore degree equal to 4. Question number 8. Okay, Rama. Coming to question number 9. Find the degree of the polynomial 3x square y cube plus 4xy minus 7. Here you observe this is a polynomial in two variables. This is a polynomial in two variables. In this case, we add the highest powers in the given polynomial. Here, observe this term. Degree is equal to, take x square y cube, add these two powers, highest powers, 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Therefore degree of polynomial is 5. You observe on one thing, if the given polynomial is a polynomial in two variables x and y, the polynomial in two variables x and y, in this case we select the highest powers of x square and xy terms. Add these powers. Add this power means add 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. The degree of the polynomial is 5. And coming to question number 10. This is the last question, Anna. What type of the polynomial is 1x square plus x plus 4? Here you observe in the polynomial there are 3 terms. 3 terms is a trinomial. But we choose the polynomial like this. The highest power of this is 2. The highest power of this is 2 is nothing but this is a quadratic polynomial. Why we choose? Here the highest power of x is 2. So this is called a quadratic polynomial.